River's reflections. Reflect on your thoughts, just as the river reflects the sky. Let the flow of the river guide your breath, calming the mind. Notice how the river's surface changes with each ripple, yet its essence remains constant. Similarly, acknowledge your thoughts, but observe how they too can shift without altering your core being. As the river flows to its destination, envision your thoughts and emotions flowing freely, reaching a place of serenity. Just as the river carves its path, reflect on how you can navigate life's challenges with wisdom and patience. Consider the river's gentle yet persistent flow, and how you can apply a similar approach to overcome obstacles in your own journey. As you gaze into the river's reflections, remember that your thoughts are not the entirety of who you are. You are the observer, the river's banks, and the water itself, ever changing, yet always flowing. Take a deep breath, and with each exhale, imagine any tension or stress flowing away with the river's current. Feel the calmness of the river's depths, and know that serenity is always within you. Set an intention to flow through your day with the river's ease, navigating challenges with grace and poise. May the river's reflections guide you toward a more peaceful, more mindful you. As we conclude, take one final moment to listen to the river's gentle lapping sounds. Carry the soothing melody with you, a reminder of the tranquility that awaits within the river's reflections, and within yourself always.